Okay, hello there everyone, hope you're well out there and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to have a look at the World Rally on the Sinclair ZX Spectrum. It's a driving game from 1988. So, yeah, I don't know so much about this game, I have not found information about it, but it's a Spanish game, so let's find out if it's cool. So pulsa tecla, it means push a button. So the buttons are Q, A, O and P. Here we go. So I'm driving Congo here. Oops. And my energy is down to the right. I'm losing energy, but here we go. So I'm in Congo now here, driving. I can deaccelerate by pushing A button, like this, or accelerating by Q button. So, oh shit, going here. So I'm in Zaire now here, racing around. So there is no music at all here, but the pace is good. Frame rate seems okay. Oh shit! And now I'm in Sudan. It's us up to the right. Egypt now, and my points is down in the center. To the right. Oh shit, getting tough here. 4,300 points now. Racing. So now in Arabia. So please comment in the comment section if you know about this game. Oh, now in Turkey here. So now it's getting tough here. Now we're getting a little bit of obstacles and shit in the way. Shit. Losing a lot of energy here. Some 6,000 points. Am I up now? Oh shit. So 6,615 points. Not bad. And oh look, Greece. I came to Greece. Okay, one more time I should try. 6,615. Here we go again. So, oh no, shit. Screwing up here immediately. Screwing up. Oh shit. Oh shit, screwing up on. Oh, it's a close one. Wait, so narrow, so narrow. Yeah, not a bad game actually. Can I reach Greece once again? I wonder. I wonder. I'm in Sudan now, and I'm happy. I'm happy driving in Sudan. It's not everyone that has the privilege to race in Sudan or Egypt. I am so privileged. I'm the happiest driver in the world. Getting narrow here. I'm in Arabia. Lo siento. It's too bad you lost your energy. Okay, but I reached some 6,615, so I'm happy about it. I reached Greece. Yes, so that was not a bad one. Yeah, what can I say? It's It's a very modest little game. Budget title probably, don't know. Like I said, I don't know anything about this game. Please comment if you know about it. But it looks like a budget title that you can kill some 10 minutes or so. Yeah, so it's alright, it's alright game, this one. So there you go, gonna give this one a 6 out of 10. So that was World Rally on the ZX Spectrum. Have a good one, goodbye.